We're down here at Trail's Edge again today. We're in the master bathroom. I'm just gonna show you what we've done in here. So often what happens is we put a 109-inch tub shower, one full unit, fiberglass unit. In this bathroom, due to all the shortages and stuff like that, we ended up ordering the tub as one unit and the shower base is another unit. In that case, we ended up doing this tile wall here, which ended up turning out really nice and I'm super happy with. We also have this tile niche. The tile was done by Shamrock Tile and this glass door was done by Cebu Glass. I just want to show you a couple more things that we did in the master bathroom. The backsplash is done by Shay at Shamrock Tile. Quartz countertops are done by Colonial Countertops. The cabinets are done by Concept Kitchen and Bath. We ended up going with plywood boxes and dovetail drawers throughout the entire house for all of the cabinetry. As you can see right here, this heated floor is done by Shamrock Tile as well.